Hello friends, today we'll open the Dell Latitude 5455. This is a premium portable workstation and you can read our in-depth review on laptopmedia.com. We start by unscrewing 7 screws from the bottom panel of the laptop. We fully loosen this screw, but we don't try to remove it because the 2 outer screws near the hinges are fixed to the cover. We're using a Japanese industrial standard screwdriver, size 0. This is the second screw that loosens but doesn't come out. Using a thin plastic tool, we start releasing the clips that hold the cover in place. The bottom panel is now removed. Here you can see the 2 non-removable screws. After detaching the battery, we can take out the SSD. First, we need to detach the metal shielding plate. Dell Latitude 5455 has only one small M2 slot for up to 1 TB PCI Express 4 drive. You can check our in-depth review to see the benchmark results. Here's how the laptop looks with the bottom panel removed. Dell Latitude 5455 has a small 54 watt-hour battery. However, the ARM processor is very energy efficient. Don't forget to check out our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. If you need to know all the details about the Dell Latitude 5455, read our in-depth review on laptopmedia.com. You'll find everything you might need to know about its display, battery, work and gaming performance, and much more. The link is below the video.